Hi everyone, this is Kim from Expression Artworks. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm excited to be making this project with you, and it's 3 pieces and it's going to become a church. So I got this kit from Craft Deals, and that's the word craft, deals, dealz.com. And on there you can find lots of other kits, seasonal kits, and other wood surfaces that you could use for your projects. So here I'm taking these 3 pieces and I'm using Waverly plaster, and it's a chalk paint, and I really like this color. It's like my go-to neutral color. It's more of an eggshell white than a bright white, and I use it for so many projects. And what's really nice about chalk paint is you get great coverage, so you usually only need to use 1 coat of the paint, which helps go through your projects a lot faster. So here I'm just making sure I get the surfaces, the top, the sides, and in this case with this piece, the inside. And then I'm going to go ahead and dry them up really quick to get them ready for the next step. So from here, I'm going to be taking my black chalk paint by Folk Art and my spatula, and I decided that I wanted to create kind of like that old world, rustic, aged look. So I decided to use the chippy technique, which a lot of crafters use, and I really love the look of it. It's nice because you can just create it the way you want. You can apply it as heavy or light-handed as you want. You can use various colors. So it's just a fun technique, and like I said, when you're looking to age something or make it a little bit more rustic or farmhouse, it's a fun technique to use. With the church pieces, I decided that I wanted it a little bit heavier, so I went ahead and I applied a lot more. Before I started the chippiness, it wasn't seen in the video, but I did take my gator sander and I sanded the edges and the surface of each piece just to kind of smooth them out. So once I was satisfied with my chippiness, I took the dark antique wax and I had this cross that was separate, not included in the kit. I got that from Factory Direct, and I waxed the cross. Then I went ahead and dried each piece thoroughly. And I also, after I adhered the cross, I don't have it in the video also, but I did take the wax again and I added some wax to the surface of the church. Thanks for watching.